Here in Ohio, when we get snow, they drop a lot of salt. I mean, a lot of salt. They put a saltwater brine on the road before the snow comes, and then after the snow comes, they scrape and drop salt. And I mean, it's like massive amounts of salt. You know, once they get the roads cleared, the roads are white with salt. Well, that obviously wreaks havoc on the underside of your car, on your undercarriage, and everything under there that can get wet with salt water. So I wanted to have a way to be able to spray it from under the vehicles if we had a nice day, to be able to get all that salt off, because my big truck, I have a hard time finding car washes that it'll fit in. So in order to be able to take care of my undercarriage, I built this. I know, like, you can go out there and you can buy stuff on the internet that hooks up to your pressure washer that has wheels on it, and it'll spray high pressure water up under there, in which, you know, I'm thinking about getting one of those as well, because I mean, this does okay. But anyway, I built this, and I've actually got wheels that I was going to put on it down there, but I hadn't done that. So basically what I do is, I've got me an on-off switch here. I hook the hose pipe to it, and I've got me an on-off switch, and I've got it made to where the cross member down there has a series of really small holes in it to try to make it have better water pressure. I think we've cut the water off, but anyway. So we've cut the water off. So, but then I've got it to where it angles away, and basically I can stand on each side of the vehicle and just work it back and forth under the vehicle. And by the time I go all the way around, I've reached everything underneath the vehicle to try to wash the salt off of it. And like I said, with this right here, it doesn't have a lot of pressure, so basically this is mainly just flooding up underneath with water to rinse the salt off. Like I said, it doesn't have a lot of pressure. So anyway, so that's what I got.